Good afternoon, guys, from Hue in middle of Vietnam in the region of Da Nang. I'm in front of this beautiful Christ building here. In the background you can also see maybe a church after the building, so we will get closer to it so we will see it also. I will turn the camera, so now it's going or working. Here's the Christ church and also the church. And yeah, I get here from the early morning in Ninh Binh. I get up at 4 a.m. in the morning, and it took around 3.5 hours to get to the airport in Hanoi. Yeah, so my flight was around at 11:30, sorry. I'm a little bit confused because I'm a little bit tired. And yeah, now I'm here in Hue. I arrived around 2:30 in the afternoon. And like everywhere here in Vietnam, the cuisine looks everywhere delicious. Very various and different kinds of foods you can find here. And yeah, first I'm looking for something to dine where I can fill my stomach. So I'm excited what will it set me. Like everywhere looks like a pagoda or something else here in front of me. It's closed, but if you get closer you see something like a castle or something like that. Dinh Pun Street. Oh my gosh, I'm really tired because I slept only around 4 hours or something like that. You can see it on my eye bags, maybe. No matter, as long as you can walk, you're fit enough, and it's possible to survive the day. So you will not die. And yeah, I watched for some hot spots where I can what I can see here, like a dragon monument or something like that. I think I will go there tomorrow because today I need a rest. And xin chào. And yeah, we'll see what is going on here. Ooh. It's not so busy from the streets like in Hanoi. The drivers here, or the cab drivers or car drivers, are more careful. Not so hectic like in Hanoi, or also in Halong, for example. Also when Halong is much smaller than Hanoi. But yeah, let's see what it will be here. A lot of coming closer to a market.
Hello.
Xin chào. Hello. Wow, maniacs. Oh, I love these places, markets. That reminds me of my childhood when I spent my whole summer vacation during my school time with my grandma in Poland. So it was after the communism. Oh many chickens here. Ducks also crazy. Wow. On the right side you can see a lake. Fishes everywhere on the ground. Wow, so much to dine and to cook. I'm curious, it's so various here, I don't know how to explain it. Sorry for repeating myself, as I mentioned before, I'm really done today. Thanks for your understanding. Good job. The little lady smiling to me. Good job. But I'm starving, I need some fruit. Maybe I will return back to her to buy some bananas. Xin chào. One banana. No? Oh, too much. That's a lot. And free? Free how much? No. Okay. How much? How much? How much? 10,000?
Vietnam đồng.
10,000. For six? Six? Six?
6.000. Của 6.000. Muốn 6 ha?
Yeah, free. But I can eat them, yeah? It's ready to eat. Ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, okay. Come on, moment. Back again from the street vendor. She sells me the fruits. I get these 4 bananas. Wow, look how they are looking. For a price of 6,000 dong, what is around 20 euro cent. So in Europe you wouldn't get no banana for that price, and here it's more fresh and more valuable and more healthy. So look how it looks, amazing, super. So I have to dine. Good appetite. Fresh, very still alive here, the fishes, and also the bonus dogs. Also here, fish. That's crazy. Very fresh, it can't be fresher. And very healthy also. Come on. Wow. This is heaven for me. Incredible. Super. Oh. Very delicious. Sorry. I fought in my native tongue, in Polish.
Hello.
Yeah, I won, but I can't. Impossible. Oh, yeah. These chickens. Yes. Little fish. Little. I'm hungry, but I can't eat it. I have no kitchen. this is heaven for me. She asked me why I'm not laughing. Because I'm starving and I'm tired. That's the reason. Oh shit! This is for me a very stressful situation here as a much eater or many eater. Oh, I'm starving, I'm very hungry. Don't know where to go. I'm looking for a place to be. Давай, давай, давай. Oh wow, very delicious. That's how they are eating here. Come on. Look at this. Look at this area. Sitting just with the locals here. That's what I'm looking for and longing for when I'm here. Go. I got invited here by these guys to drink a drink. Now I will try it, yeah. Look, he's doing me like a shot. Okay.
Okay.
Raz, dwa, trzy. Na zdrowie. Na zdrowie in Polish. Na zdrowie. Zdrowie. Okay. One, yeah? So I ordered it a few seconds before and now it has been served quicker than I thought. And these are the chicken feet. Wow, looks very good. I want to try it. Have a good appetite, guys. Guys, for now I'm in the bigger supermarket here in Hue in Vietnam. And I want to compare some, prices. For example, like here in front of me you see the Coke. 6 Coke cans for around, what is it, €2 with a size of 6 cans with 320 milliliters. Well, here you see a big Coke, 2.5 liters. For around 75 euro cent. I want to mention one more time that the prices from euro to US dollar is nearly the same. It's around 1.05 US dollars compared to €1. What we got here? Like Coke, 390 milliliters for around 30 cents. That's quite cheap for that size. Also, we like Fuse tea for around 30 cents. Yeah, so interesting what is here on us. Here are bigger sizes of Fuse tea. It's around 70 cents. 17,400. Done. I'm so curious what this is exactly. I saw it more times in a few shops. I couldn't guess what it is. Coffee. price for Lay's chips. Ranges from 40 euro cent up to 50 euro cent, as you see. 14,800 done.
Lại đi đi. Bây giờ thì cái đây giờ nó mệt lắm á.
Seems that I'm the only milky face here, also in the past capital of Hue. I mean from Vietnam. Just take a look around. Or here. Noodle soup for 15 cents. Water also around 30 cents. 8,000. Oh, what for an offer here. Look at this yummy noodles. Also, what we got here, 8,400, also around 35 cents. Basic stuff for cooking here. Some peppers and so on. More coffee. Nasty. Oh, I'm very thirsty. I have to buy something for drink. What can it be? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is really expensive also for here. Oh, it's like €2, €2.40, something like that for this small 500 milliliter bottle. Also that one is more expensive. 75,000. Very expensive compared to the salaries here.